Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Rural Utility Business Advisor, or RUBA, Learning Center. To access this course, first we're going to go to the internet and type in the IP address. It's alaska.tavuti.io. Once you get here, you'll put in your username and your password that were sent to you by email. You'll click Submit. Know that you can also reset your password there if you'd like to. When you do that, you'll come to a dashboard. It should have your name up here. And what you'll want to do is watch this featured video. I'll be quiet for a minute and I'll show you what it does. This also explains our program a little bit. And at the end, we will tell you that what you need to do is take that pretest. So let me show you how to get there. Click on Courses. Now, I want to sign up for this personnel class, so I'm going to double click here. This should be the page that you come to next, and you'll notice I have not made any progress yet. But the first thing I'll do is click on this, RUBA Training, Overview, and Pretest. Now notice here that this interactive video is required. So please watch it all the way through. There'll be two places that will stop on the video and ask you a question. Answer those questions. When you get to the very end, there'll be a little star here. Make sure you click on that because it will record your answers. I think this is one of the mistakes that most people make is they forget this piece and then they get to the end and they go, how come I don't have 100%? So be sure and watch the interactive video and get to the very end. You'll also know there's another video down here. This is purely if you'd like to watch it on your own time, but it's a nice little story about bringing water to Lower Calskag and talks about the importance of water and sanitation in our rural communities. Okay, now you're going to click up here where it says Take the Quiz. This is your pretest. You'll click Start. There will be 50 questions that we will ask you. These are the same questions we'll ask you at the end in the post-test, and we just want to see whether you learned anything in the class, and I'm sure you will. You'll probably just ace it at the end. But the trick with this one is you have to go all the way through. If you stop midway and answer the phone and then come back to it, it'll be gone. So make sure that you have some quiet time and go through the pretest when you get to the very end, and that'll help you through that one. After you've taken the pretest, you're going to go on to lesson 1. And in lesson 1, you'll also have a video that you need to watch. And you'll notice that your manual is right here below it. You can download that manual and keep it on your computer. You can print it off, whatever you'd like to do. You'll also notice over here there's some lesson files that you might find interesting. Besides the student manual, we have a policy and procedure book, and also another one on personnel policies and regulations manual, and exercise number 1. So you might want to watch for this. Now, another place where you're going to want to go is My Learning. This should have your name on top of it when you get to it. And this is your little dashboard. So when we have an event or a class, like we'll be watching the RUBA personnel management class, you can actually go here and click on it to join the class or the meeting. This is also where you'll find your certificate of completion at the end of the course. It'll tell you your course progress along here. If there's any other little items that we've added, this will also tell you, your picture could show up here. So you're welcome to add your photo to it. So I hope this has kind of helped you a little bit. You can also click on the virtual classroom down here, and it will also give you these as well. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get a hold of us. We're here to help, but I think making sure that you watch those videos before you come to the virtual class will really help you tremendously. Thanks so much.